I'm Wyatt from Oliver Carbide. I'm here with the Rubberhog tool line. These tools are all about preparing tires for repair. When you want to put a repair on the tire, you have to buff inside the tire to put a texture on there so your repair will stick and not come off when you're going down the road. Larger tires, they do a lot more heavy repair on the sidewalls and the tread section, like truck tires and earth mover tires and that sort of thing. Our tools are all about removing damaged rubber and putting a texture on the surface so a new rubber surface, a new rubber patch or repair will bond. We've got some real popular items that are used for passenger tire repair. Again, inside the tire, buffing that old oxidized rubber off, leaving the surface that you can bond to. These tools go typically on a quick change. Quick change tool. Usually it's an air tool, sometimes it's electric like this. There are a number of repair tools on the market. This is kind of a premium line, a little higher price point, but the job it does and the service life is a lot better. All these products from the Rubberhog line are available through Myers Tire Supply. All you have to do is reach out to your Myers rep and they can lead you through what you can use.